Sled dog dash. Choose a sledding mission.
Snowy
Snowy
forest.
forest. Hi everyone, it's me, Molly, and I'm Tui. Grandpa Nat needs our help. He's exploring the forest and he needs his field notebook. We can take my dogs on a sledding mission. Let's go. Our mission. Deliver the notebook to Grandpa Nat. We need 5 dogs to pull our sled. Tap the dogs and pick them. Skippy. Luca. Rascal. Atso. Kobe. Here's our dog team. Ready to go.
Okay, let's start.
Help me finish packing the gear we'll need for the trip. Put everything into the box. Cooking pot, leggings, dog boots, a notebook to deliver to
Don't
Grandpa.
forget to eat that.
Everything's packed. And I have my Sled Advisor app on my phone to help us. Let's get started on our sledding adventure. 2, 1, go! Here we go! You can steer the sled around the obstacles like dirt patches and rocks.
Let's see.
Get the treats and toys.
Oh, don't
for
forget the
speed
treats. Let's see.
Woohoo! Extra speed! Wow! Look at us go!
And that's it.